Hello kids, welcome to learning time. Today we will learn how to use screens the smart way. All kids, healthy screen time. What is screen time? Screen time is time spent using TV, phone, tablet. Screens are fun, but too much is not good. Why too much screen time is bad? Too much screen time can make you tired, angry, hurt your eyes. That's why balance is important. How much screen time is okay? Kids should use screens 1 or 2 hours a day, with breaks in between. Time control keeps you healthy. Take screen breaks after screen time. Try this: playing outside, stretching, reading a book. Move your body and rest your eyes. Use screens for learning. Screens are best when used for learning videos, homework, fun learning games. Choose smart content. No screens before bed. Turn off screens 1 hour before sleep. Your brain needs rest to sleep well. Remember kids, all together, use screens smartly and enjoy real life too. Balance is the key. See you next time.